Unlimited happiness plus lots of excitement multiplied by a breathtaking panorama equals 100% satisfaction. Whatever the equation may be, it's problem solved to be in a special place like this in Western Pangasinan. I'm Janice, your island girl. Tara na, dahil marami pa tayong makikilalang isla dito sa Ganda Mo, Pangasinan.
Simulan na ang pasyalan. Pumasyal sa Pangasinan, balikan ang lahat na papasaya. Kanila, klasin ang taglay na ganda. Siguradong mag-enjoy ka. Kanila, pumasyal sa Pangasinan, balikan ang lahat na papasaya. Kanila, klasin ang taglay na ganda. Siguradong mag-enjoy ka. Dalilan Pangasinan.
Take a panoramic view of the natural masterpiece in one of the tallest islands. Boasting its widest land area, there's a perfect spot for swimming and picnic. It's an ideal trekking spot too. Spend your day with a warm heart in the beautiful Governor's Island. We're here at Governor's Island!
Ang dati pong pangalan ng Governor's Islands ay Primicious Island. So, pinangalan po siya sa dating governor ng Pangasinan po. Pinalitan siya ng Governor's Island after ng matalo siya ni Governor Agbayani. And then, to dedicate this island sa lahat ng governor ng Pangasinan, pinangalan po ito ng Governor's Island. Pero, may cave po na matatagpuan dito na pinangalan po kay dating Governor Primicious po. So, makikita po dito yung 360 degree panoramic view na view deck dito sa pinakataas. So, and then meron din makikita na iba't ibang flora, mga tanim na mag-enjoy po, especially yung mga mahilig sa mga halaman po. Also, dito din po matatagpuan ang longest zipline dito sa 100 Island National Park, 546 meters from Governors to Virgin Island po siya.
Una nating bibisitahin dito sa Governor's Island ay ang cave.
That place, watching all the light moves upon your face. It's like a dream.
Ooh, it's just a mini cave.
It's like a dream.
Oh, may paniki! Paniki. Even here, may little stalactites.
Yeah, you go up and I go down, and we go round and round and round.
And now, malapit na tayo sa view deck ng Governor's Island where we can have a panoramic view of the whole 100 Islands National Park. Ang Primicious Island, na dating pangalan ng Governor's Island, is the home of the famous PBB House, which hosted few episodes of the first teen edition. Dito rin makikita ang kabuuan ng 100 Islands through the view deck na mararating in more than 180 steps, pati na rin ang longest zipline na aabot pa sa kabilang island. Dahil maraming activities dito, best din for picnic sa mga day-tour gazebos for rent.
Yeah, you go up and I go down, and we go round. Yeah, you go up and I go
As one of the main islands tourists visit, this has been a standard when it comes to experiencing 100 Islands. From its jaw-dropping scenic view, thrilling cave, and exciting activity, it's everything you'll ever want. So, before hopping to your boat, don't miss the Governor's Island.
We go round. Yeah, we go round the world, the world.
Just as beautiful as the other islands is this picturesque land worth visiting too. Situated where the sun hits the water perfectly, your eyes will be amazed with its movement and sparkles. Feel the breeze under the trees in Virgin Island. This used to be untouched and barely visited, kaya tinawag na Virgin Island, and hindi na rin napalitan. Kaya ngayong may mga bisita na, meron na ding mga tables for picnic. Virgin Island! Ooh, there are benches dito. Pwedeng mag-picnic, mag-relax. Ganda! Ganda ng beach. And puro corals yung aapakan mo dito. Ang ganda naman. Breathe in the fresh air and live in your moment in fantasy like a mermaid in a magical cave. Its simplicity will allow you to reflect on life as the sky reflects on the sea. You'll find more reasons to love life when you visit this island.
Ang unang kwento dito ay tungkol kay Anita at Akong. Ito ay isang mag-asawa na villagers dito po sa mga area ng Lucap Wharf. Dati-dati ang 100 Islands ay isang bundok lamang. Ang dalawang mag-asawa na ito, yung babae ay nagtitinda ng isda at yung lalaki naman ay siya ang nangingisda. Isang gabi, naghulog siya ng kanyang net. Doon sa net na yon, pagkuha niya, walang laman. So galit na galit siya. O the second time, trinay niya, naghagis ulit ng net. Ang nakuha niya ay maliliit na itim na bato. Galit na galit siya at tinapon niya ang mga bato na yon na punong-puno ng complaint sa buhay. Nung tinapon niya yon, may nagkaroon ng malakas na alon. Siya ay nagpaddle ng kanyang bangka hanggang sa gilid. Pagdating niya pala sa gilid, ay biglang yung mga tinapong bato ay lumaki sila na nagiging 100 Islands. Hindi naniwala si Akong at doon namatay si Akong sa kanyang tabi. So ganun lang po yung legend. Actually po, ang 100 Islands National Park ay nasa national government for so many years. Only in 2005, nagkaroon ng transfer. No? It's a formal transfer of the management, the administration and control of the 100 Islands National Park from the PTA na ngayon ay TIEZA. During that time, ang unang programa ginawa po namin ay ang tinatawag nating CPR. That is the conservation, protection, and rehabilitation of 100 Islands National Park. Dahil during that time, kung noong nasa national government po ito, walang police power po ang PTA noon. Kaya nagliparan ang mga illegal fishing activity, mga dynamite fishing, and so on. So nag-start po kami sa CPR na yon para ibalik lang ang sigla ng 100 Islands. Ang daming na-damage na ating marine ecosystem, no? Daming nasirang corals, no? But then, sa determination ay kailangan po naming improve at ayusin ang 100 Islands National Park. Kaya noon, nagkaroon kami ng identification na nagiging problema sa 100 Islands. Ano ang mga nagiging problema sa stakeholders sa ating community. Hanggang sa naghanap kami ng mga possible solutions to problems. Nagkaroon tayo ng problema ng carrying capacity ng 100 Islands National Park. Kasi dati walang mga gazebo dyan. Wala tayong nakikita mga pavilion. So kung ano ang doon na lang. Kaya mga bisita natin, doon na naglalatag na lang sa sun portion para lang mag-picnic, para lang kumain, na in a way, nakaka-apektuhin sa environment. Gumawa din naman po kami ng mga guidelines, nag-forward po kami ng possible ordinances, kaya nagawa po yung aming tinatawag nating Tourism Code of 2023. Actually, 10 years ago may una kami, renew lang namin to keep abreast with the change of time, no? And diverse happenings here dito sa 100 Islands National Park. I wish to invite everyone, the viewers po, to watch and see and visit the 100 Islands National Park. Here in Alameda City, it is the home of the 100 Islands. There are 100 feels and 100 thrills that you'll have to experience. Come and visit us and be a part of the joy and excitement where fun and adventure never ends in 100 Islands.
Dahil Pangasinan.
Bulok, maliliit at hindi ba malusog ang inyong mga halaman? Omega Green ang kasagutan. Ihalo lang ang 2 kutsara nito sa isang maliit na container at kaunting tubig. Pagkatapos ay ihalo sa knapsack sprayer at pwede na itong ispray sa mga pananim. Meron itong nitrogen, phosphorus, magnesium, copper at zinc na tumutulong sa pagpapaganda at pagpapabilis ng tubo, pagpapanatili ng nutrisyon, mas malagong mga dahon at panlaban sa mga sakit ng mga halaman. Hindi rin ito nakasasama sa kapaligiran. Pwede rin ito sa kahit anong klase ng halaman, mapa-highland crops o lowland crops. Omega Green by Encom Agri-Marketing, the ultimate friend of farmers. Looking for a place to stay in Baguio City? Find your calm at Hotel Supreme. A good dip at their pool. Clean and comfortable rooms with a view. Accommodating staff. You can also enjoy a sip of coffee at their coffee shop. Good food for a good mood at their restaurants. Spacious halls for events, and many more. A perfect balance of business and relaxation, all at Hotel Supreme.
Dahil Pangasinan.
Something out the dawn grows. I feel their bliss. Watching all the
Here is a natural beauty like a work of art. An island quite raw that will steal your heart. Kung gusto mo ng hindi masyadong dinadayo, ito ang isla na para sa'yo. Warm, clear waters and powdery white sand. Experience all this in Season Island.
you go up and I go down. The beat goes right. No space.
Ang Season Island ay isa sa islands na may magandang story at napakaganda ring puntahan. Despite the fact na hindi siya ganoong binibisita or dinadaungan, this island is definitely a spot kung gusto mong mag-relax o kaya naman you want to take aesthetic photos. This is the perfect spot for that. Just look at it. Napakaganda, di ba?
It's like a dream. The music moves. It's all I see. Yeah, you go up and I go down. The beat goes right.
Roughly 45 minutes from Lookout Wharf, this island, which was named after the Season clan for their remarkable contribution to the land, can be the perfect destination for photo shoots, nature sighting, and soul searching.
Yeah, we go round and round and round. Moving on the water, a sea of blue. No one in between us, just me and you.
Dreaming of an island perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and relaxing? Season Island is your sure thing. It is a paradise so nice with clear water and bright sky. Ano man ang iyong intensyon, pag ito ang napiling destinasyon, yayakapin ka ng mga alon.
Goes right, no space inside. Yeah, you go up and I go down, and we go round and round and round. Yeah, we go round. Yeah, we go round. We go round. Yeah, we go round and round and round.
Enter into a new world of natural wonder in an island filled with fascinating stories. From the cave through the tunnel, the echoes will whisper the depth of its history. Kilalanin at alamin ang kabigha-bighaning kwento ng Isla ng Cuenco. Ang Cuenco Island ay isa sa mga island na nag-offer ng free cliff jumping. Sakaling namang gutumin, may tindahan na mabibilhan ng makakain. Ang isla na ito ay dating tinatawag na Paddy Island, which means pare. Pinaniniwalaan na dito sa island na ito ginanap ang pinakaunang misa sa buong 100 Islands National Park officiated by Father Cuenco, kaya pinangalanan itong island na ito sa kanya. Noong giyera naman, sinasabi na dito raw nagtago at ginamot ang mga wounded soldiers. At noong February 13, 2013 naman, dito sa Cuenco Island ginanap ang pinakaunang underwater wedding sa buong 100 Islands National Park. Your eyes may be filled with images everlasting, in your heart with excitement. More than that, your mind shall keep the stories and lessons spot by this historical island. Hindi pagsisisihan ang saya at kaalamang dulot ng isla ng Cuenco.
In a sea where hundreds of plants arose, many have their own thing to boast. In this particular one, it being sheltered and protected like a child with its sister and brother islands. Kaya para sa mga young at forever young, siguradong para sa inyo itong Children's Island.
So, Children's Island po, isa sa mga main islands po dito sa 100 Island National Park. Isa to sa mga visited islands ng mga turista. So, suitable po ito sa mga tourist, lalo na kapag may mga bata silang kasama. Kasi makikita natin dito na sobrang babaw, na maganda maligo ang mga bata. Suitable din sa mga bata dahil nakapalibot ang mga islands sa Children's Island. And then doon makikita natin na hindi siya sobrang alon, hindi siya sobrang mahangin. So, pero kahit sobrang babaw o suitable for kids, this island, make sure din po natin na babantay natin yung mga bata. Makasama natin bata kasi hindi po natin alam kung anong mangyayari.
Para masulit ang oras sa swimming and bonding, pwedeng magpaluto dito. Different sized bilao for 5 to 15 packs are available for as low as 1,500 to 2,500 pesos with seafood, meat, eggs at ang famous Alaminos longganisa. Fun experience din ang budol fight na good for 15 packs for 7,000. Kompleto na to, may dagdag pang fruits and veggies at refreshments.
Like a mother singing a lullaby, be cradled by the water as the wind and trees create a beautiful melody. With families so dear around you, time spent here is worth it. Bumalik sa pagkabata at sa dagat na kay ganda kapag ang islang ito ay iyong binisita.
Dahil Pangasinan.
Have fun and enjoy the sun. Family and friends as one.
Welcome to Cultura Splash Wave, a world-class resort nestled at the foot of the mountains. Have fun with the different waves at our amazing wave pool. Be thrilled at the heart-pounding giant slides. Swim to your heart's content at the uniquely designed dolphin pool. Be a child again with your family and friends at the Water Factory. Enjoy the comforts of your home at the spacious, elegantly furnished, air-conditioned cottages. Face your fears at our Skywalker. Relax and find your calm at our fish spa. Celebrate the best times of your lives at Juliet's Legacy Pavilion. Located at Cares, Pugola, Union. Live the adventurous life with Cultura Splashway.
Waters, join us now. Come on, Cultura Splashway. See you there. Go to rock, splash, wave. Come have fun and enjoy the sun. Family and friends as one. In the waters, join us now. Come on, go to rock, splash, wave. See you there. Go to rock, splash, wave.
The safer, the better. Protect your car and your loved ones. Get your high-quality dashcams and have them installed for free at Pongtao Dashcam Supplier. Located at Balite, Longlong, Pugis, La Trinidad, Benguet. You can also check their other branch at Bunyagan, La Trinidad, or order at their Shopee account. Pongtao Dashcam Supplier also offers car tint services, upholstery service, car stereo, car sensors, car alarms, and any car accessory you would want. Pongtao Dashcam Supplier. You and your car's the best bud.
Dahil Pangasinan.
Every Friday of the month, yung Isko Basurero. So, may mga staff o piling staff ng DNR at saka LGU na pupunta sa island para mag-scuba at pupulutin yung basura sa ilalim ng tubig. In general naman po, meron din ginagawa para mapalinis o ma-maintain ang linis at ganda ng mga coastal area dito sa Alaminos is yung coastal cleanup. Nasisiguro po namin ang safety ng bawat tourist na pumapasok dito sa 100 Island. First po, meron tayong mga rescue na nakaantabay. If ever magbibigay ng paunang lunas and then itatakbo po dito sa wharf, tatakbo na po sila sa hospital. Dito sa office pa lang po, sinasabi na namin yung mga bagay na hindi na mga dapat at hindi dapat gawin. About po sa mga water activities, marami po tayong mga water activities sa island. If ever man na gusto nyo pong malaman, pumunta lang po tayo dito sa office and then sa tourism office sa Lookout Wharf po. Lahat ng prices ng water activities, mga facilities tulad ng gazebo, mag-inquire lang po tayo dito sa tourism office dito sa Lookout Wharf po.
It's a 360-degree view of everything exciting above and below the sea in this island gifted with marine beauty. Known for its garden under the sea, spend time taking in all the magnificence around the island. Welcome to Macapagal Island.
Pinangalan na Macapagal Island yan dahil sa dating Pangulo na si Diosdado Macapagal. Pinangalan siya dahil doon. Lahat po ng mga pangalan dito sa 100 Island ay pinapangalan sa mga personnel na sikat. Kilala siya bilang Coral Garden dahil makikita diyan yung mga different species ng mga corals at saka mga clams. So sa helmet diving, pupunta po tayo sa Macapagal Island. Meron pong floating gazebo doon. And then, doon po kayo mag-inquire about sa helmet diving po. And then, after that, sasabihin ko ano mga don'ts and do's na kailangan gawin.
Kahit isang kamay lang yung hawak nyo po, pwede po. Huwag nyo lang hilahin pababa yung dulo. Dapat naka-level lang lagi.
Bababa na po kayo sa water. Makikita na po natin yung mga different species ng mga corals and mga marine life na naninirahan sa Macapagal Island. From Lukap to Macapagal, pag regular boat, yun po, 1 hour from Wharf to Macapagal Island.
Okay naman, masaya. Magaganda yung mga giant clams, tsaka yung clownfish.
Yeah, super fun. Yun lang. Medyo nahilo ko, pero okay. Okay siya. Ayun, super masaya naman siya first time. And then parang dream come true kasi nakita si Nemo.
Look up to the sky as you float through the calming waters of this lovely island. Dive into the grandiosity of the underwater world as it invites you to interact with fishes of many colors. Sa lahat ng pwedeng gawin na naisin mong magtagal dito sa isla ng Macapagal. Feel a piece of history in this elongated island surrounded by waters best for snorkeling. Being in close proximity with the coral garden, an underwater feature is extended here. Magpainit sa baybay o magpalamig sa dagat. It's gonna be a wonderful day pag nasa Old Scout.
Maraming kwento about dito sa Old Scout. Merong dalang kwento bakit pinangalang Old Scout or a Scout Island. So ang first na kwento is dahil yung mga Boy Scout dito po sila nagka-camp. And then the second one po is yung mga before yung gera, World War II, yung mga Scout Ranger, dito po sila babarak, so dito kakamp po sila dito. And then makikita po doon sa may mga naka-engrave na mga names. And then according to locals, yan po yung mga names ng mga rangers o scout rangers na nag-camp dito.
Kung mapapadpad kayo dito sa Old Scout Island, makikita nyo rito ang inscriptions ng mga pangalan ng Scout Rangers na isinulat ni Don Ramon Tamayo noong October 25, 1975. Its beauty has captured the hearts of the brave from decades ago, and now even the ones building courage. This island made sure to keep its charm. It assures more will witness what it's proud of. Mamangha, maligo at magpakasaya dahil ang islang ito ay hinihintay ka. Islands minus
miss the activities and the views will still be the 100 islands people came to know and love. This place is more than what meets the eyes, for its history and stories are so vibrant, admiration will be instant. Tides may rise, islands may hide, but one thing's for sure, memories made here will forever be treasured.
There are hundreds of reasons to fall in love with the islands. The 100 Islands National Park is already known as one of the best tourist destinations in the country. While many would assume that everything has already been discovered in this place, this trip proves that there is so much more to explore. From the invigorating adrenaline rush to calm and tranquil sanctuary, each island is full of surprises. Masasabi ko na ang puso ko ay puno ng saya at payapa dito sa 100 isla ng Hiwaga.